Climate control systems. The heating, cooling, defrosting, and ventilation for the vehicle can be controlled with these systems. Vehicles without air conditioning. 1. Temperature control. 2. Bi-level air mode. 3. Floor air mode. 4. Vent air mode. 5. Fan control. 6. Driver and passenger heated seats, if equipped. 7. Rear window defogger. 8. Defog. 9. Defrost. Vehicles with air conditioning. 1. Temperature control. 2. Bi-level air mode. 3. Floor air mode. 4. Vent air mode. 5. Fan control. 6. Driver and passenger heated seats, if equipped. 7. Rear window defogger. 8. Recirculation. 9. Defog. 10. Air conditioning. 11. Defrost. Fan control. Turn to increase or decrease the fan speed. Temperature control. Turn to increase or decrease the temperature. Air delivery mode control. To change the current mode, press one of the following. Vent. Air is directed to the instrument panel outlets, bi-level. Air is directed to the instrument panel outlets and the floor outlets, floor. Air is directed to the floor outlets, defog. Clears the windows of fog or moisture. Air is directed to the windshield and floor outlets, defrost. Clears the windshield of fog or frost more quickly. Air is directed to the windshield and side window outlets, for best results. Clear all snow and ice from the windshield before defrosting. Do not drive the vehicle until all windows are clear. Air conditioning. Air conditioning, if equipped. Press to turn the air conditioning on or off. If the fan is turned off or the outside temperature falls below freezing, the air conditioning compressor will not work. Recirculation, if equipped. Press to turn on the recirculation. An indicator light comes on. Air is recirculated inside the vehicle. It helps to quickly cool the air inside the vehicle or prevent outside air and odors from entering. To improve fuel efficiency and to cool the vehicle faster, recirculation may be automatically selected in warm weather. The recirculation light will not come on. Press to select recirculation. Press it again to select outside air. Rear window defogger. Rear defogger. Press to turn the rear window defogger on or off. The rear window defogger turns off after about 10 minutes. It can also be turned off by turning the ignition to ACC/accessory or lock/OFF. If turned on again, it runs for about 5 minutes before turning off. Do not drive the vehicle until all windows are clear. For vehicles with heated outside rear view mirrors, they turn on when the rear window defogger button is on and help to clear fog or frost from the surface of the mirrors. Notice: do not use a razor blade or sharp object to clear the inside rear window. Do not adhere anything to the defogger grid lines in the rear glass. These actions may damage the rear defogger. Repairs would not be covered by your warranty.